this one. These are meant to AC in. These two cables are the AC in. It goes direct. This one goes direct to the heating element. This other one goes to the switch here. This makes a switch. So now we have tested the heating element. We have been able to identify the AC in and AC out from this adapter socket, because it's just like an socket. So now let's test the switch to see if it's good before we can continue testing. Meter is still on continuity. The switch is still good. Still good. So now if you supply AC here, switch off is no more on. So if you supply AC in here, we should be able to have this LED indicated that the heater is on and can feed it. We should be able to feed the temperature. So let's just power direct from these two sockets and see what will happen. Here is our power cable. I'll do some little work on it. So let's connect it to the AC in from to the heater. Okay, I've done the connection. Supply the AC. So let's see the power cable. The cables properly for it not to have short circuit. So let me plug it on current now. See what happens. Voila, you see the data has come on. So if you want something, turn it off with the switch, goes off, turn it on back. So let's connect it to the AC in from to the heater. Okay, I've done the connection. Supply the AC. So let's see the power cable. The cables properly for it not to have short circuit. So let me plug it on current now. See what happens. Voila, you see the data has come on. So if you want something, turn it off with the switch, goes off, turn it on back, goes on. It's starting to, it's getting warm. So that's working now. Means we have repaired it, although this man is not there. So for us to go properly do a professional job, we just need to change this man completely, or do for this strip and put the or adapt another one, but that will involve some kind of lead soldering. So the easiest way to go about it is just to change this man. See, it's rust. To get the connection now properly will not be easy. Can get this man, place it there. It's hot. It's hot. So, see, even from the scrap you can see pick it and repair. So far the element is still good. You can do anything you want with it, because from the element you just have a switch, the LED, that's all.